That's it. Survived another night. Said minus 7.5. Probably put a photo up. But we've woken up to some absolute beauty. Right next to Ben Nevis. I figured I would just try and sleep around here. There's loads of no camping. I don't know, that might be the other way around, but loads of no camping signs everywhere, and I thought, ooh. I was the only one there, didn't leave any litter, didn't light any fires, just slept. You could sleep in the day. There's no overnight, so it's alright to sleep in the day, but don't you dare do it at night when the sun goes down. That is terrible of you. I guess it's just because they want to filter you all into the places where you have to pay money, And I understand. People are coming here all the time. They may as well make some money from it, but not mine. Anyway, it's New Year's Eve. I'm alone. I'm going to be alone. Well, that I know of. And I figured, why not finish the year in the highest place you could possibly finish it, on a high note? And I found myself next to Ben Nevis, so. And it's 9:30. Big Ranger. Yeah, it's 9:30 in the morning, so I've got enough time to get up there, but it was minus 8 last night. I saw that's the number I saw, the lowest. So could be fucked up there, but I may as well try. That's what it's about, right? Smashing the year. And I'll be starting the year as I mean to continue. I will start the year as I mean to go on. So yeah, we're gonna fucking go for it. I'll ask if there's someone down there. I'm going to ask if it's a sensible idea. It's probably not. It's probably the most unusual day of the year to try and get up Ben Nevis, innit? To be honest. Can't even see the top. Look at this. Or camper parking. Can't even see the top. I assume somewhere. Whoa. Why would I do that? What happens if I zoom in? I think there's a little information centre down there. That looks like the path. Let's zoom in on that. There. I'll at least be able to get up to wherever that's going. We'll see. Let's get it. So, that's how you know. It's pretty dangerous up there, or can be. I've got a big backpack. I've thought about many scenarios. Of things that could go wrong. I think I can survive one night if worse ways, and that would be fucking terrible. But light a fire. I've got a sleeping bag in there. I've got a poncho. There's a few things. I'm not that much of an idiot. But yeah. Here we go then. Trying to get up Ben Nevis on New Year's Eve. Would you look at that? We are looking good. The whole point of me coming out here this year was to practice gratitude. It's the whole reason I'm doing this. Instead of partying the same way everyone else would be, cheersing with spirits in their hand, inviting the evil spirits in, becoming disillusioned, thinking they're running out of time, have to think about the past and what you didn't achieve or whatever. Think you're running out of time, getting a year older. Oh no, it's another year. I just sort of think this year, fuck that. We're drinking no booze, no spirits, just the pure spirit of trying to do something you'll be grateful of in the future. So yeah, practicing gratitude. seeing so much as well. Just amazing, this is. But yeah, I've not got too much expectations, you know. I always come into these places with loose plans. There was a chance I was going to be here on New Year's Eve. It happened. Now I'm trying to climb up Ben Nevis on New Year's Eve, so we'll see what happens, see how far I can get. I'm not going to be a fucking idiot. It's icy as fuck, you know. We'll see what happens. All I know is I'm out here doing something a bit unconventional. And why not? Because it's just another day. It's just another day. Faffing about fucking New Year's Eve. Fuck off. So how far we are so far. Stopped for a few nuts, needed the salt. Ooh, as you can see, the beard's growing. Definitely not had a shave for a few days. I think I'll try there for a nice warm shower and a shave later. We'll see if that's successful. Let's try and get to the top here. There's a few hikers about now, so we're not alone. It's not too dangerous, I don't think. Pretty fucked right now, not gonna lie. Pretty fucked. That's what we're seeing. Quite a lot of icy patches. But let's see if I can zoom in on the van. Where is she? There. Go up here a little bit. That's where we're going. The van. Let's see how far. There. White one. So far we came. We're in the clouds now. Bit of an outfit change. I'm sweating so much. The woolly hat wasn't helping. So I'm now wearing my t-shirt, which was getting wet through from all the sweat on my body. From my body. Now just putting it on it's a little bit less thick than the woolly hat. I'm going to sweat a little bit less. I'm going to cool down with the bare skin. My legs are sweating like fuck in these padded trousers. I stink for sure, but I feel a lot better now. And I understand how Wim Hof was doing it all. It's not that hard. Guy's a blagger. We have spotted a fellow wolf. Big up you, if there's someone in there and if they're alive. See if it's there on the way back. Okay. Still out here topless, but it's raining, which feels like ice, believe it or not. Oh, Ben Nevis on the 31st of December. I am still sweating though, so it's kind of a strange contrast, and feels pretty nice and horrible at the same time. Well, I'm in a cloud and I'm just gonna have to see how far I can get. No signs of any more walkers now. I did hear some dogs that way. I'm just going to keep on trucking on, see what I can do, and not push the limits too much. It's about the will, just getting it done, getting out here, doing something challenging. You know, that's what we're doing. That's what we are doing. In the clouds, there's a crow making noises at me. He thinks I'm gonna die. Fuck you! Here it comes up. Staying alive. You get gone. Bastard. So, I think I've got about an hour and a half left. Just had a conversation with some lads, fully geared up. There was ice coming off them, and they were just, why have you got your top off, kind of thing. And I'm like, honestly, I am sweating buckets. If I wasn't like this, I'd be really, really uncomfortable. And I somehow think cooling down the core temperature is what's allowing me to keep a good pace. And yeah, just regulate the breathing. You know, if you're in the sauna, you're like, fuck. You gotta regulate the breathing. If you're in the cold water, you're like, fuck. You gotta regulate the breathing. It's all in the breathing. And that's how we do it. I just keep up a steady pace. Don't really worry about too much. You know, the nipples are a bit cold, but a bit of a redness around there. But yeah, I don't really think about it too much, just go. When I get cold, I've got so much stuff in the backpack to get me warm again. We just go, man. Just go. Apparently it's minus 15 at the top. According to some guys, they had a thermometer and minus 15. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it. That's the last of no top. Get the last little bit of sweat off me. We're in the minus temperatures now. It's snow everywhere and my arms are getting a bit cold. I can tell the circulation's slowing down. The nerves there feel funny. So yeah, time to warm up again. That was pretty good, pretty fun. Yeah. Yeah. Don't need to say too much, do I? It's absolutely nuts to try and climb. I'm just going to turn the camera around. It's crazy. I'm loving it though. I'm loving it. Don't think I've ever been in conditions like this where the bottom is green and the top is snowy like that. You know, I've been to snowy hills before, but not like this. And it is really hard to even stand. That's where I've got to go. I believe the top's just there, but it's really fucking difficult to get up now, to be honest. Really difficult. See, I've just fell over there filming this for you guys. Fuck you. See how deep it is, and that's not even the bottom. Come on, let's do it. Literally on my hands and knees, crawling up. It's now started frozen rain. It's snowing. I think it's frozen rain. I'm not far from the summit. I've got to do it. And I'll just sort of slide down, I think. Slide back down. I do love how all these challenges just come with little bullshit bits. Getting up that fucker on my hands and knees was a bullshit bit. I'm sure getting down is going to be even more bullshit. Or it might be really fun. Would you follow those? Way more. I feel like this is the safer option. Who fucking knows? Who fucking knows? Frozen rain just to. I mean, I'm in a frozen cloud. That's what it is. Just to finish it off, you know. It has been so much fun. It has been a lot of fun. A lot of fun. So much fucking fun, actually. I'm still having it. Boom. Trick point. Success. Can't see it open. Some campers over there. One guy camping overnight there. Unconventional motherfuckers. Sick, sick, sick. Love it. Everything is frozen. Even me. Won't be staying up here long. This is fucking difficult fun. It's really difficult. Fun, but difficult. I got frost on my eyelashes, in my beard. This is brand new territory for me. Fantastic. Coming to the last bits now. Sun's setting. Literally took me all day. I'm knackered. My legs are fried. I got this big heavy bag on as well. Always knew it was going to be difficult, but I try not to think about the difficulty and just get on with it. Made it back down. I now really want to try and find a hot shower, so however that's going to happen, I'm going to make it fucking happen. If not, we're going back to the bottle method. I'm heating up some water with my heaters in the footwell, and then I'll use them with my little attachment, spray myself off in the fucking car park, because I need a clean. And it's New Year's Eve, so let's make ourselves good. Funny shit. This will happen. If we get a warm shower somewhere, thank you. If it's got to be in the car park again, that's what we're fucking doing. We're out here. Managed to get a warm shower. We are good. Just walk straight in there. No lock. No fob. I was going to pay at the reception. I was going to ask them for use of their wash facilities. But it was closed, so I'll just make a go for it, try it, look. It's New Year's Eve, innit? Things to add to the gratitude list: hot water, showers, running water in general, a toothbrush, a toilet. And now I'm about to add, I reckon, a steak to the gratitude list. Let's go and find a steak. Still wondering which way should I go. Probably a dick tripping Tyso, product of a witch and a psycho. Still I don't want to live through an iPhone, so what do I know? Resilience is built for the highs and lows. Push through the grip when I'm alone. So find me in a place that's quite remote. Yeah, I'd like to go. I'll never be stuck in a mud, abusing the place and fucking it up. Lead with the heart, trust in the gut, with the speak in my art and the love in the goods. What are you up to? Nothing as such. All I know is that it's good to be us. In the lab just cooking it up, or in a cab with the sluttiest sluts. And she looks pretty in pink, so you can catch me in a city of sin. Everything I've made, I did it from within. And you know you gotta stay gritty to win.